everyone, kumusta? Welcome to Dash of Spices. My name is Juna and this is Jazzy. So today we are celebrating our 500 plus subscribers. We have 540
already.
Yes. So today is February 23rd and we hit 540 plus subscribers. So today we just want to say thank you everyone for those of you who subscribe to our channel, and for those Daddy just walked in. For those of you who subscribe to our channel,
hi everybody.
And for those of you who haven't subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification. And we're going to show you another member of our family, our little Milo, my little four-legged son. We want to say thank you everybody for what? 540 plus subscribers. Thank you. So, what you gonna say, Milo? Huh? Yeah. So, what we have in there? So today, to celebrate this wonderful milestone of our YouTube channel, we are going to create, look, he can't wait. We are going to create a no-bake dessert. This is three of our favorite desserts. So we're gonna make a tiramisu, a strawberry cheesecake, and an Oreo cheesecake dessert. And please don't forget to, again, subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Again, thank you everyone for all your support. What did you eat? A strawberry? Anyways, we're gonna start cooking, we're gonna start making the no-bake dessert. So hope you guys like it and keep on watching. We have here is lady fingers, dark roast coffee, heavy whipping cream, sweetened milk, mascarpone cheese, cream cheese, granulated white sugar, and also we're going to use mini cups for the container. First things first, we're going to create the cream mixture. We're just going to whisk this until stiff, thick, or fluffy. And now add the mascarpone, the cream cheese, and the sweetened milk. If you don't want to use the sweetened milk, you're welcome to use just the plain white sugar, but this is really up to you. Whisk this for about 1 minute. First, we're going to create the tiramisu mini dessert cups. Start with the lady fingers. We're going to place this in a deep dish, and we're just going to soak this in a dark roast coffee. You could add rum, this is really up to you, but I want this a kids friendly, so I'm not using any alcohol. Just set that aside, and then when it's ready, place or scoop a spoon to a container as a first layer, and then add the cream cheese mixture or the cream mixture to create the first layer. Now add again the lady fingers, the crushed lady fingers, and then top with the second layer of cream mixture. And then just tap it with cocoa powder. Simple as this. And now place this in the fridge for 2 to 4 hours. Second one is the strawberry Oreo mini dessert cups. We have Oreo and strawberries for our main ingredients. Just slice the strawberries into tiny pieces. And then you're going to add sugar, and then let this sit on the side for about 2 minutes. Just mix that until combined. Add hot water, set aside for 2 minutes. Crushed Oreos, add 2 tablespoons of butter. I forgot to take a video of how I crushed the Oreos, but it's just basic, just crushed it, just normal. Place the
strawberry mixture into a blender and blend until smooth. Add cream cheese to strawberry puree. Continue adding the cream mixture until you get that texture that you desire, which I want here is a creamy texture. Place a spoon of Oreo crumbs into the mini container as a first layer and just pat that down. Add the strawberry cream mixture as the first layer to create the first layer. And then second layer of the Oreo crumbs. And then tap with the second layer of the strawberry cream mixture. Just crumble a little pieces of Oreo cookies and use that as toppings. Keep this in the fridge for 2 to 4 hours. Now the mango graham mini dessert cups. Main ingredients: graham cracker and mangoes. We're going to place the graham into the Ziploc bag and crush that until pulverized. My daughter is helping me here because she liked doing this job, so why not? Once that's ready, just add 2 tablespoons of butter, and you're going to mix this until combined and set aside. Now with our mangoes, we're just going to slice this into tiny cubes. Don't throw away the seeds because there's still mango flesh in there. We're going to use that as toppings. With this, just add 2 tablespoons of sugar and set it aside for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, place this in a blender and blend until smooth. Then add cream mixture. Add more cream mixture as needed until you get that creamy texture. Now let's arrange the dessert. Start with the graham cracker as our first layer. Pat that, like compacting it to create a good crust. Then after that, add the first layer of the mango cream mixture. Then add the second layer of the graham cracker. And tap with the second layer of the mango cream mixture. Just like that. And now using the seeds, I said there's still meat in the seeds, so just use that tiny meat and put tiny slices of mangoes on top of the dessert. Place this, sprinkle it with graham crackers, and place this in the fridge for about 2 to 4 hours. And you should be set. And here is our mini cups dessert, no bake mini cups dessert. We have a tiramisu, a strawberry Oreo cookie dessert cups, and a mango graham dessert.
Now we are back with our finished dessert cups, no bake mini dessert cups, which this had been in the fridge for about 3 to 4 hours now. So now it's about time to taste them. Let's start with the mango graham dessert. They said it's good because she ate it with her friends. So there's the first bite. That is so good. So good. And now the second one is strawberry Oreo mini dessert. And let's try that. First try. Well, that is good too. It's really good. This type of dessert is perfect for if you're having a like a bridal shower or baby shower, or even for kids. This is a perfect size for them because it won't go to waste. Because if you do like in a pan and you give them a big piece, they only eat half of it. This one, they kind of like enjoy digging to a small cup. So I suggest using a cup for your cakes. That is so good. The Oreo cookie and the strawberry and the cream cheese and the mascarpone cream combined together is perfect flavor. So now this is my all-time favorite, the tiramisu mini cups. Nothing like a good tiramisu. Tiramisu is so good. The tiramisu is really good. All of them is good. I'm mixing the 3 flavors together and different taste, different flavor, and it doesn't overpower other ones. If you start with the tiramisu and then you do the strawberry and then you do the mango, it doesn't overpower. Each one of the dessert have their own unique, so delicious, so tasty flavor. Hope I don't have anything in my mouth. Alright guys, I hope you liked that video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this recipe, please comment down below if you want me to try another no-bake mini dessert. Just comment down below and please share this recipe as well. That's it for today. Until next time, thanks for watching Dash of Spices. Ciao!